today's video. Ayan ay pupunta kami ngayon sa Cebu, mga madi. Kasi meron kaming importanteng kukunin doon. So nagdala na lang kami ng sasakyan para madali or mas ano bang tawag ito? Easy. Easy ang smooth ang biyahe namin. At ang oras ngayon ay 8:34. So Jed maaga day. Hindi maaga day. Okay, late na may naka-receive og text nga. Oh, hi everyone. Shush. Ang allow ra sa pick up ka every Thursday. So no choice ta, wala na lang nag-eskwela ang mga kido kay kinahanglan gid ni sila mga madi sa among mga important papers, document. So kita-kita later 57. So see guys, so di anami dai na nami sa Cebu for how many years?
Yay!
Well, when we were
I
going to get
slept
married.
3 to 2 times.
Huh?
Was when we were going to get married.
Is that 6 kuya? Okay.
That's a little fancy. Not this.
So, it's been a long time. Oh, this is the...
Yeah.
Everything's been reconstructed.
Yeah, you go.
Everything's been reconstructed.
Oh yeah. You just sit here, boys. Boys, sit here. Oh, Jesus, Mary. So I'm just gonna take a video for this. 7.
Either the first one or the last one. It's no. They didn't do it out of me like the rest of the world.
At ito yung aming kwarto. Ayan, sobrang ganda siya at ang lalaki ng kanilang mga bed. Tapos yung pinakagusto ko dito ay yung CR nila kasi merong bathtub. Kaya excited akong maligo at mag-hot shower, mga madi. Because it's been a long day. At ipapakita ko sa inyo yung kanyang CR. Ito na siya. Ayan. Medyo maliit lang yung CR nila pero carry na sa size ko. 'Di ba? Oh, ayan. Gutom pa 'yan. 'Di ba? Iba talaga ang energy pag naggala, mga madi. Ayan, so hello guys. So good. So hello guys. Early in the morning, have a breakfast.
Please have some bacon, guys.
I have bacon.
I know.
Say hi. Share your stuff. Woohoo! How about you, Kuya? Hi, my love. So, mag-eat na may mga madi. So, we're going home.
There's seaside down there.
Over there.
Kilometers per hour.
In the United States, you'd be going 120.
Bro.
Not in a road like this, though.
Bro.
This is so much better. I am not stressed as much. I'm not worried about the
I like the
condition of
view.
the truck.
I like the view.
Oh, there's